Great, great. And you have already told us this thing, that how you overcame the revenue problem which you faced. So this is a common question which we see among our listeners, that they say that they have opened the clinic within 6 months, they are not getting that revenue, or maybe within 1 year also they are not getting that revenue. What will you guide them to do, or what should they do according to you?
I think if you have a lot of free time because you're not getting patients in the first 6 months or 1 year, you try to hone your skill and also read about some other businesses, like how other businesses work. We have seen so much of startups nowadays. They are not profitable in the first go. They are not even profitable for 2, 3 first initial
Many years.
years. Yeah, many years. They seek investment on the model, and we must be very fortunate, and we must be very grateful to God that we are profitable from day one. Like whichever patient walks into our clinic, almost a 40% profit margin is there for most of the treatments. And if it is not there for you, try to work out on your numbers. Try to work out on your maths, business mathematics, how your profit is not getting fulfilled, and then definitely market your clinic. But the one most important thing which we must have is we must have patience. Patience definitely leads and yields a lot. So 6 months to 1 year is a very small time frame to look at when we compare it to other businesses. So that's absolutely fine. There are a lot of competition in the urban areas. So if you are really interested, you must open a clinic where less dentists are there, maybe in a tier 2 or tier 3 cities, which I hear from my friends. Their growth has been even more phenomenal because the technology they are bringing was never available to them. So there is no to the population there. So there is no competition. So probably that will accelerate your career or growth in the revenue stage, in the mindset of revenue. But yeah, just takes a little bit of patience.
So we can say that be patient to get patience, right?